How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification in Gmail. So if you want to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification in Gmail, then what you need to do is just follow this video. So if you're getting this kind of interface which says this phone number cannot be used for the verification, then there are some fixes. So the first fix is to wait it out. It sounds frustrating, but in my experience, sometimes the issue resolves itself after a few days. For example, a month ago, email verification was down in my area, but it started working again. After a week, sometimes it's just a temporary issue on Google's end solution. Now, the second one is contact the Google support. Like, take a screenshot of this error message and reach out to them direct. Their customer support team can provide assistance and might even be able to resolve the issue for your solution. And the third fix is using a different phone number. If you have access to a different phone number or phone provider, try using another number from that service. This could help you bypass this issue. So these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.